What if the love you've been seeking has been quietly waiting inside you all along? Let's uncover it together in just 10 minutes. For full effect, make sure to be undisturbed. Namaste, I'm Marcel Drew. Please lie down in a quiet space, arms by your sides, palms up and eyes closed. It all starts with the next breath. Inhale for 5 seconds. And exhale for 6. With this breath, know we are in this together. We are starting with a body scan, and we're starting out from the heart this time. So focus on your heart. And the chest area. And observe what you're feeling. Absolutely. Just observing from your heart right now. Nothing else to do. Shifting all the focus, all the awareness there. And start to recognize your heart area and thanking your heart for working that hard, for every beat it takes, practicing gratitude and acknowledging the tremendous amount of work your heart does for you every day. In a way, bowing in front of your heart. Honoring your heart. Acknowledging. And see if your heart, if your chest answers. If it's thanking you back for acknowledging it, for honoring it. Just feeling in. Do not think here, just feeling in with your body, observing your body. Good job. And from here, slowly head up to your shoulders and allow them to relax, telling them it's now time to relax and honoring the work that they are doing every day. Allowing them to rest. Maybe they have a lot of tension. So really telling them it's okay to rest now. Going to your upper arms. Honoring them as well. And practicing gratitude here. You can also say, if you like, I love you upper arms. You can do this with every coming body part we're going through. It's optional. You don't need to say it out loud. You can if you want to. You can just Think it. Coming to your elbows. Honoring your elbows. Coming to your lower arms. Coming to your wrists. Coming to your palms. Top of the hands. The big thumb. The index fingers. The middle fingers. The ring fingers. And the pinky fingers. Honoring your whole arm right now. So both of your arms. And from here, let's come up to our throat. Back up to your throat. And up to your jaw. To your lower lips, your upper lips. Inside your mouth. The floor of the mouth. The roof of the mouth. And your tongue. Your right nostril, your left nostril. Your right eye, your left eye. Your right ear, your left ear. Between your eyebrows. On your forehead. On the back of your head. And on the crown of your head. Honoring your whole head right now. Inhale and exhale deeply. Reconnecting to your chest, to your rib cage, traveling down your solar plexus, and slowly going further down to your belly button, to your navel area. And feel how your belly rises and falls as you're inhaling. Honoring this movement. And also telling your belly that it's now time to relax. And let's move onwards to your hips and your pelvic area. Just tuning in there and honoring the life force there. Connecting deeper to your big thighs, to your knees, to your lower legs, to your calves, your shin bone, to your ankles, to your heels, to the sole of the feet, to the top of the feet, to your big toes, to the second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, and the pinky toe. Honoring your whole legs right now, both of your legs, observing how it feels. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am valuable. I am valuable. I am valuable. I belong here. I belong here. I belong here. Visualize right now a space where you feel safe and accepted. It can be in a forest, on a mountaintop. It can be in your room, where you are right now. Everything is fine. You to visualize. Just make sure that you feel safe and accepted there. And at this place, you found it, you're very welcome to start moving your hands, your fingers, your wrists, your elbows, and start giving yourself a hug. So give yourself a hug right now. And you're very much invited to join in with me when I say I love you and then your name. So for me it would be I love you, Marcel. And you just say your name then. So we're doing it together right now. I love you, Marcel. Take one more deep inhale. And exhale completely. Release your hug. And start to move your whole body, your toes as well, your ankles, your knees. Move your body however you want your body to be moved right now. Smile a bit and open your eyes whenever you feel ready. You can sit up, you can still lie if you like. I'm bowing down in front of you for your discipline. Make sure to subscribe to stay in the loop with weekly uploads. Like it, give it 5 stars, share a message filled with love in the comment section, send it to all your friends, put it in your stories, write articles in newspapers, leave a beautiful loving review somewhere else in the internet, and most importantly, practice again this wonderful ritual of yours. Thank you also for your continued support through donations and all the gratitude steps mentioned just right now. It helps me create the most amazing guided meditations for you. I hope to meditate with you soon again. Abundant love and blessings to you. Namaste.